I hiked to Grasshopper Point from Midgley Bridge because Grasshopper Point doesn't open until 8 in the morning. And from Grasshopper Point, I enjoyed the area, looked around. I was the only one there. It was so peaceful, so quiet. And from there, I hiked up Casner Canyon and returned back to Grasshopper Point in the afternoon. And it was a completely different scene there. So let me know in the comments, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the quiet creek alone, or do you like the music and the people watching and cliff diving? So I am team quiet. When I go on a hike, I like to see as few people as possible. Let me know what you think. So Grasshopper Point, I mean, that is definitely one of the best watering holes near Sedona, easy access. So of course there's a lot of people. Okay, so here's the Allen's Bend Trail. Check out this creek access area here. only bad thing about being the first one on a trail for the day is you go through all the spider webs. Otherwise, this is fantastic. I'm sure this trail gets really, really busy, because of course it would. Look at this. It's gorgeous. So that's the watering hole from Grasshopper Point. A lot of people were there. Would you cliff jump? I am too scared to do anything like that. Here's the turnoff for Grasshopper Point. It's off of 89A, one of the most scenic drives in Arizona. Check out my drive video. This drive is beautiful, almost as pretty as the hikes.